view ng ano dito. View ng Causeway Bay Park. Ayan. May ano naman dito, may event na naman dito. Ayan. Saraduhan na naman dyan. Ginagawa pa lang yan. Maybe on 29 is open here. Causeway Bay Park. Ayan. Causeway Bay Park, Hong Kong. Hinay-hinay lang paglakad namin kasi may alaga ako. Nandito kami sa Causeway Park. Ayan, nandito sa Causeway Park. Causeway Park, I said. Oh, nalaking building dito. Oh. Dito ang way na dito. Beep, 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 beep. Beep. Do you want me to take a picture?
Yeah.
Later. Later if we go and meet your coach there, then you get me a picture, take me a picture, okay? You don't want to? Why? Do you want to play the games? Ayan. Kailangan 30. Kailangan 3 minutes upload in video. Ayan. O, nandito kami sa venue place namin dito sa Causeway Bay Park. Ngayon, katamtaman lang yung weather ngayon. Hindi malamig, hindi mainit. It's nice weather today. So fresh air. Ayan, yung mga matanda nag-exercise dito. O, yan. This is around Causeway Bay Park. Thank you sa panonood, guys. Ayan.